YouTube? It's your boy Nixo Retro, and I'm back in the building with another video today. Now today's video is going to be consisting of the mid muffler delete on the Scat Pack 2020 wide body. I'm going to get ready to go to the shop right now, man, and get everything situated with it. And I got another video I'm going to be working on today, so if y'all see me in the same clothes, just know I'm trying to make 2 or 3 videos today for y'all. I got footage of the box Chevy for everybody that's been following me. I am building a box Chevy as well on this page. Here go the wheels right here. They already been painted, 26-inch dub dazzers. We got the matching steering wheel coming for those as well. And yeah, I'm gonna give y'all some footage of that build, so that might be on another video though. But to this video, like I said, it's gonna be the mid muffler delete, the Scatty. I'm gonna get ready to show y'all that and give y'all a cold start of the before and a video of the after once we get it all said and done. Also, the next video will probably be something, you know, with my fiance. We about to get ready to go try to upgrade her to something else, man. I ain't gonna give y'all all the details just yet, but just know she coming too, man. And yeah, I'm finna get ready to show y'all the cold start, and we're gonna head to the muffler shop. All right, y'all see that bad boy all cleaned up. All cleaned up, man. I'm gonna show y'all something already been cutting up. You might not be able to pick it up and see it, but where is it at? Like right there. It's like a little chip. I'm like a little rock chip or something when I was doing burnouts in it. But I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. Let's get to it. Y'all let me know in the comment sections down below. Alright, so we about to get ready to head over to the shop, and I'll cut y'all on once we get back over there. Give y'all how it looked before. Just so y'all can see. So we're deleting these mid mufflers, and we're just gonna do straight pipe from here on back. We're gonna leave the rear mufflers though. We're gonna leave those. Give y'all a look. Cut that bad boy. Yes, sir. Already getting to it, baby. Just like that. Out of there.
in this area. I'm from Rockford, bro. That's anybody that's new following me. I'm up here at KP Mufflers and Brakes. I think they do a pretty good job, man. And look at them chilling over there. How it sound on startup. Now this is the after video. We're gonna see how it sound. All right, y'all. Here we go. Snap, crackle, and pop. That's pressure. That's pressure.
Alright, you guys, man. Y'all seen how it sounded when it started up. Now I'm driving it now. It sounds a lot better. It has that deep raspy tune to it that I was looking for. They was trying to suggest that I took off the rear mufflers as well, but I'm like, nah, man, I'm doing what I see on YouTube and what I like the sound of. I've been just following people doing the mid muffler deletes, really. Like, and I just love the sound. I feel like it gives it that extra, that growl that I was looking for and needed. You feel me? But I'm gonna give y'all some pulls. Ooh-wee, that's pressure. That's what I was looking for right there. The little car tried to just stomp on his little Honda motor. Ha! Ha! Bullshit your ass down. But yeah, man, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it. I like how it sound. I'm gonna give y'all probably some better footage of how it sound. All right, y'all. I decided I'm just gonna give y'all a couple more pulls because that was kind of bogus, not giving y'all a good one. So I'm gonna give y'all a couple before I give y'all the outsides now. That's pressure, boy. That's pressure for you boys, man. Goodness, boy. I'm kind of scared of this car, though. I ain't gonna cap. Just getting used to driving Dodge again. Like, I had Chargers before, but they was all V6, so them don't even count. They don't count at all because there ain't no power behind them. Period. Even my Camaro, man. Like, I just thought when I got the Camaro, I thought I was the man. Like, because I got a Camaro, but not really paying attention to the performance side of it. You feel me? But now I got that joint. I get the looks and I get the power. So I'm finna go to Popeyes, get me something to eat, Jack. I'm hungry as hell. But I gotta get ready to start another video anyway. So I'm gonna give y'all these revs once I get home, though, for real. And I ain't trying to bore y'all to death, so I'm gonna cut y'all back off until I get back home. Right now I'm at Popeyes, finna get me some food, and then I'm gonna give y'all the last rev, and we go. You can do that too if you want. Get some footage going by real quick for them. This the after fact. Hit it a couple times. That shit loud.
You said driving.
You go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, because I want to see how it sound on the outside. And you gotta hug the steering wheel. Don't get to acting like Tim. That thing sound good. Super good. Y'all hear that snack, crackle, and pop? All my homies want to take off in that. All of them. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I'm going to go ahead and end this right here. And I'm going to get up with y'all with the next video. Gang.